Alright, this is a 2011 Suzuki Swift 1.4 litre. We're just going to do a basic service on it today. Before starting any work on the car, disconnect the negative battery terminal. Step 1, just take out the air filter as it's the easiest to do. There are two clips holding the air filter in. Just unclip them, remove the old one and place the new one in. Before raising the car, take the oil cap off so then the oil drains out easier from the bottom. Next step, jack the car up. Next step, remove the sump plug. Next step, remove the oil filter. Next step, clean the sump bolt. Next step, put the sump bolt back in. Before installing the new oil filter, make sure to pour oil into the filter. We've gone with Penrite Fully Synthetic 5W40. Tighten a minimum of a 3/4 turn after the gasket contacts the moulding pad. Next step, spray underneath the engine using degreaser and then wipe down. Pour the oil into the engine, pour a few litres at a time, check the dipstick and make sure the oil level is correct. Reconnect the battery, start the car, run the car for about 30 seconds, turn it off and check the oil levels again. Just go through and top up the rest of the fluids like coolant and brake fluid. Have a look around and see if there's any leaks coming from anywhere. That's pretty much it. Thanks for watching.